Huawei-owned Honor in November, launched the Honor 7X, an almost 6-inch Android phone with a decent set of specs and an affordable price tag of £269. Its new phone, the View 10, looks almost identical, has a slightly boosted processor, a fingerprint scanner on the front, rather than the back, and it costs a more sizable £449. Those prices convert to $360 and AU $475 for the 7X, and $600 and AU $795 for the new View 10. It's due to go on sale globally in January. The biggest upgrade over the 7X comes in the form of the processor. The View 10 packs Huawei's latest Kirin 970 chip. It has 8 cores and it's backed up by 6GB of RAM. I haven't fully tested the phone yet, but it's the same processing setup found on Huawei's new Mate 10 Pro, an extremely powerful phone. I expect the View 10 to be similarly capable. Both Huawei and Honor's main claims for the processor involve AI, with apparent improvements to image recognition in the camera, allowing for faster automatic settings changes, and faster language translation from words in a picture. Physically though, there's little to tell Honor's two new phones apart, with both sporting all-metal bodies and a matte blue finish. The View 10's 5.99-inch display is marginally bigger than the 7X's 5.93-inch screen, but both have 2160 x 1080 pixel resolutions. For the extra money Honor is demanding, I'd like to have seen a pixel boost here. Neither phone has any kind of waterproofing, which is frustrating. Again, adding this to the View 10 would have helped separate it from its cheaper sibling and give a real reason to spend the extra cash. The View 10 has a dual lens camera, like the 7X, which takes depth information in an image to let you produce portraits with DSLR style out of focus backgrounds. Huawei Honor View 10 specs 6-inch screen 2160 x 1080 pixel resolution 3730 mAh battery, non-removable, Kirin 970 processor, 6GB RAM fingerprint scanner below screen. 13 megapixel front camera dual 20 and 16 megapixel rear cameras.